just to know where the center is. Then we fold this flap for one side and on the back side. Just like this. I'm going to open. And you're going to flatten it out. And this thing here, I'm going to hide them. So you can flatten it out. I'm going to fold this up here. On both sides. And you're going to do the same thing again. Open. And now all you do is that you open the bolt. The bolt. Remember, going to cut here, here, and the tip. As you tell the story of the ship that it got ripped on one side and it was falling or sinking, and then you cut this part here. This is the neck of the shirt eventually, so you need to be telling the story. It's the shirt.